All right, good morning everybody. Thanks for watching today's recap.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
First of all, first thing first, it was today's Paris birthday. This is a picture of Paris 10 years ago. One of our members posted that picture. So 10 years ago, Paris, it looks like a college dorm or something. So happy birthday, Paris. Thank you so much for all your contribution and your education to the community. It's amazing. We love you, and we're looking forward to see your birthday every year together. So the market today was kind of flat, really didn't do much. S&P 500 flat, Qs kind of flat. Look, see, this is a very iffy price action. It's perfect for this 0 day to expiry, buy risk reversals, find bottom and top, and just sell the premiums and collect the premiums. But I managed to get a good trade on Tesla at the open. So Tesla was gapping down for the news of a price cut. So it was a really nice, although it was gapping down 2%, it was popped up, did a really nice bounce to the VWAP ABCD pattern. I went long here, popped up to this level. I sold some and I added more because we saw a huge ask at 232, and then we popped up, sold some more, and then I came back and I got out of it because I think it was just enough for me. That I think my break even was somewhere around here, but I just got out before my break even actually get hit. And that was a good trade at very small size. I think $200 shares or something like that. So 400 shares, I think I get a decent $700 from that, and that's good. I was happy with that. And then we did TQQ. TQQ was trading with the market index, and I think that I saw that it really squeezes above the VWAP. So these two candlesticks with volume was very bullish. So, and I just jumped in long for the red to green, popped up. I sold some. I really didn't wait. I didn't want to hold it really for the red to green. It came almost close to it, and then I really just didn't want to wait for it. So I got out of it with a couple of $100 profit. So, and yeah, they ended up for me kind of very flat, like $1,200. Plus I still have the position. I'm short calls of NVDA at 44 cents for 470 for Friday. There is a chance that I can make money out of this. It doesn't seem that NVIDIA has a lot of volatility in there. And when you're shorting options, you're essentially shorting the volatility. So that looks good on that front. Market overall, again, doesn't have a lot of momentum to go up, not a lot of weakness to go down. So that's it. Brian, I think you traded AMD. Yes.
Yeah, I did that double bottom on AMD.
Can you come closer to your microphone? Sorry.
Sorry, I did the double bottom on AMD,
Yeah.
and got a nice move back up on that to the VWAP, and I actually didn't trade the shares. I just shorted the puts, which basically made me long. So. Yeah, other than that, I did the Tesla trade as well with you, and there was some decent moves today early on, but now, like you said, everything's kind of chopping sideways. We're waiting for the minutes from the July Fed meeting. That'll come out at 2 o'clock today.
Nice. So here's the situation on AMD. So what you're seeing here is that AMD, I looked at it, and there's some very important level here at 107, about 107.50. This is a very important level, and I was hoping that we can get a bounce from there. We just came right above it and bounced back. Unfortunately, sometimes you don't get these bounce down to the penny. So as you see here, bounce back here. I was hoping to really get ready to buy at 107.50. Never got that, so did a couple of pounds. So sometimes it is what it is. You don't get that bounce to the penny in those levels. The only thing that shows some sort of a volatility right now is Tesla, but I don't know if it's actually tradable or not. So Tesla is losing the VWAP, shows some sort of the volatility. But again, regardless, so we started the Peak Capital guys introduction session yesterday with the funded accounts. It was pretty good. Officially, it starts September 7th. Yeah, so just people can get ready for that. And we're gonna have a meetup in Reno on next Friday. I don't know if you have a lot of traders or not, but we posted that on the forum. Scott is coming, and see if anyone is in the Reno area. We can have a meetup on Friday, next Friday, I guess 15, around like 9 p.m. or something like that, for getting some drinks or something. Other than that, all the best, guys. Thank you so much. And tonight is the mentorship presentation by our buddy Thor. And no, sorry, today's Wednesday. So Wednesday we have a psychology webinar. Actually, psychology webinar. We have the psychology webinar, and we're gonna have that psychology webinar. We have actually a guest speaker, so looking forward to see that. All the best, guys, and see you in the chat room.